Taking the carb off. Got a brand new carb here. Cost a freaking small fortune, I did. Anyway, yeah, so we just got to fit that now. So, expect pull that out. Fit it into there. Problem, this thing is on upside down. It's supposed to be on that way. See, it was on that way. It's got to go over there. Like so. That goes on like so. Single watches. See the need light? Make sure that need light is the same. Looks about right to me. And adjust that all the way down. You can always adjust it later. There's the old bits. See that carb, the thread had gone in here. So this couldn't tighten down good enough to seal it, so it looks like that. It looks like that. And it's fitted, but I'm not sure about this purple pipe. Does it go to there? Come on, you fucking bitch. Anyway, does it go to there or does it go to here? I'm not sure because that's a vacuum pipe. I'm sure that it goes to here, because if it goes to there, it goes to automatic choke. I don't know. Silly thing. And I got to check this pipe, make sure it's pumping two-stroke oil. But I'm going to put some into the tank as a precaution, just in case. But I will be checking that before starting it. It says this should be pumping two-stroke into the carb to mix it, see? But this is only uncertainty, is that. Can't get the fucking thing off. Right. Does this pipe go into there? From the valve, vacuum valve. Does it go to there or does it go to there? It went to there in the other one. I don't know, I'll have to check that. That's the only uncertainty with this. So we'll check that first. But it ran before, so it should run again.